Good afternoon. Today is 22nd June, longest day of the year. Summer solstice. Flowers. ISIL. No, ISIS. No, ISIL. Sri Lankan team. No, ISIL. Salsas. No, salsas dance. Summer solstice 2026. Time is about 2:45 here in Slough. The United Kingdom, as you can see. I went to pray. Diamond Road Mosque is there. Local Slough people aware of it. So, Zuhur midday pray. Just in case non-Muslim brother and sister, don't worry about it. There's a different Sufi, Wahhabi, Shia, Sunni. It's all coming back to 26 March 2010. Solar City. Uncle Samoa, aka Sir Steer Karmar, I wasn't disrespectful to you. I really liked you. I like you also. I really voted Birmingham. The very guy actually, which one that Pakistani guy, Labour Party one, lost it. The other one won it. Ask, what was his name? First Muslim. European they used to say, not even a British parliamentarian, MPA from Birmingham. He lost it though. They were very unhappy. Why I voted for him? Pakistani guy. The other one won it. What's the Home Secretary? Muslim one. Kashmir is a disputed territory. Shwana Mahmood, Kashmir Mahkama. Stateless Home Secretary. I mean, I was happy actually. She is being used as a voodoo repellent. Deport lots of bullshit, lots of Indians bullshit. Pakistani, lot of Indian Sikh. That's why reason I mentioned mosque. Ilan mosque, no, Sikh with English speaking children, Pakistani English speaking. Disrespectful. There is a feeling there are definitely charges, and there are terrorism and ripping apart country. That country, my lovely country, the United Kingdom. Economy, future, children's future, lying, massive lying, and try to put a blame Jesus, the second coming of Jesus. My name is Bhagwan Karpan. What's in the name? The United Kingdom passport is Raja Rizwan Mushtaq. The United Kingdom Intellectual Property Office, Cranford, no man, what's that? Cardiff, yeah. Cardiff, he was going, was crying from Zambia, mother was chicken farm, father was, they did not slave, they really married. First Secretary of Wales, Big Wales, Dragon's Well, no, Dragon's Den, there was a BBC one. What was that? First Secretary Hamza used Nicola Sturgeon and her husband. My biggest circus happened, joke to happen. Zelensky official representative. Ukraine, Russia, ISIL, Daesh, you name it, Corona, conspiracy theories. I especially came, Sir Steer Karma, you should have, you still can hire me. Don't burn him, no burn him, Andy burn him. Very hot Sunday. Andy Burnham saying old time. Pakistani man growing English girls. Old time, na? Old time. Indian quite excited. They told Andy Burnham, Sir Steer Karma. Indian should be deported, they shouldn't be here. A lot of trash. Indian Pakistani, lots of students. Lots of students, work permit. New World Order, but that was a British India now. Let's make Commonwealth, no, the British Empire great again. Tsars jumped in then. It's supposed to be USSR. Oh, let's make America great again. Greater Israel, you know. Yesterday, how about that Quran, Lucian Lake, Quran night club? Corona is a Muhammad Quran also. Quran massager. I was watching musical programs. Hamas didn't like the musical program. What was the other? Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Allah Akbar hijacked, nationalized a solar city. The Soviet times, you know, when they go nationalize the company, Chinese or other socialist countries, they nationalize. The cooperative companies hostile takeover, nationalized. When bank go bankrupt, na nationalized. World treasury, no business, country's treasury paid. When they win it, very intelligent, very business know-how, very business paid off. No black money, no need to money laundering, and no drug money, corruption, embezzlement also known as. Just by the roundabout. Sainsbury, Sloughsbury, yeah. Sloughs, don't bury him. 2010, bury him. I'm going underground. That woman, she's bigot. I thought I'm going to graveyard. What happened, man? 16 years I lost it somehow. I wish if people can find out the truth actually. What war grammatically have to be clear. What were happening to them and what are happening to them and what is going to happen. As long as they watch, they should buy my book from Kindle. Everything is there. 10 pound, 1 pound fish, 1 pound fish, across the pound. Water. My international audience, if someone watching from YouTube, I'm not disrespectful to YouTube, it's the dark web they are onto me. They are not. They are quite upset so far. Thank you, YouTube. You haven't, deleted, or they are so panicked so far. Why YouTube is still not banning or police not coming? See, the law is changing. What's illegal about it? I don't know. Anything is possible nowadays. Already so many jungle law, beyond jungle law happened to me. And many other people also. But it's to me definitely. And happened to the solar city. Hostile takeover, cooperative companies. Nationalize. That's by these people. Because it become Russian. Nationalize. Where is solar city? It will be. A BP horizon, it can float also. Don't need to go to all the way to Arab Spring. Bring cable from North Africa. You can go all the way St. John's to Atlantic, like a floating island. Far more productive than oil rig. Rig economy, English speaking. Rig election, rig truth. Rig, green economy, green wash. Bye bye. They're fully alert today. That's why I'm making and talking this, not correlating many things. Most of people, if they find from YouTube, but please watch it, other videos, and ideally, if you can buy the book from Kindle, that's where the treasure, gold treasure, beyond gold treasure for humanity is there. All the codes, maps, pin codes for the machine where you can take money. The truth, the solar city's full designs. Can't understand, but they don't know now. They're not gonna know that now. The people don't know that English, the technical aspects of it. They're not gonna know that now. If the one cannot understand English or other technical aspects, they bought it, they put some nice comment on it, that's it. Their show is over. Nationalized, hostile takeover, hijacked by thugs, confiscated. British treasury, British young children's future. Greta Thunberg, no man, British economy one. Yeah, some. I think I should be stop making it. This one is gone a bit too long, and no, it's not that too long actually. But I'm trying to tell the truth. Today they are very active. New MNA MPA, Sir Steer Karma, Liam Davy, Shabana Mahmood, Copper Bonding, Aviat Cooper. Bye bye.